We are back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you'll appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And the stock had an explosive move to the upside while the overall market was pulling downwards, and our SPY bot at 7:05 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and there was weakness towards the bell and even after the bell, and put options went up 700 to 2000% plus within an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our Tesla bot that was just released, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So Bbig stock, today is a very pivotal day for the stock, and we're going to break down a lot of information in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning, and all three of them turned out to give 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was PIK. And this stock, we caught it in the pre-market under a bull indicator, having strength on 42 vision and pushing upwards towards the bell, pulled back down, got a bear indicator, consolidated, got that bull indicator again, and jumped up for a highest point of 20% plus in a matter of minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. Again, as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move today, but we have some key levels of support and resistance to look at based off the history of the chart and where it sits currently, right? So I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility and the charts, no matter which direction stocks are going, by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So here we are with Bbig stock. It was under a bull indicator since yesterday at $2.67 based off the 30-minute and breaking out from this consolidation that we were watching closely, right? I also stated it needed a break above $2.93, and above that level, get above $3 and stay above it. And then we would have to talk about the $3.40 range. And here we have it, creating a rejection today. So this is super important what's going on in these charts today. And we're going to talk about what to look for going into tomorrow and from the 18th to the 27th. There's a lot of different rumors, a lot of different speculation, and the charts are going to show us what's really going on. Are people going to be buying or selling on the way towards that? Or are they going to hold or not? Because yes, the manipulation, a lot of people talk about it. That's the big theory. Then there's also the possibility of a gamma squeeze, as we're seeing it squeeze right now, because there are shorts that are getting trapped since way down here, and it took off, came back down, and it's taking off again. And also there's a lot of buying pressure and investors that are holding. So Bbig stock is in the middle ground right now. And the big question is, how is it going to react after all this hype into the 18th of the Tyde spinoff? And a lot of people know that the date after this spin-off, you can go ahead and sell and still receive that dividend, right? Or that spin-off of, for every 10 BBIG stock, you get 1 Tyde stock. So there's a lot of different talk going on. And at the end of the day, the charts are what matters. I always say this. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. And it's super important within any type of volatility, because right now on the 30-minute, there's been a lot of shifts from bull to bear indicators pretty quickly. And we just hit another bear indicator up here. And we need to see if this is going to be a fake out to the downside or the beginning of a larger pullback. But when you zoom out and you look at the 4-hour, which we're going to break down in the 1-day, you could see that things have been moving with strength since way back here within the volatility, since the 12th. That bull indicator has held true. No bear indicator popped up, and things continued upwards. So anybody that states that charts do not matter either do not understand them or do not want others to understand them. And everything I share in my videos are my honest, humble opinions. I could be completely wrong, and it's not financial advice. I'm just here to go ahead and share what I see and share my perspectives. So super important to realize that and be aware of that. But we always look at the charts here on this channel, and it's what we focus on. So on the 4-hour, it's been bullish since way down here at the 250s. No bear indicator on this pullback, and then things took off, and this was the setup for the next bull run. If you look at the 1-day as well, same thing. Things were actually pulling back up. We wanted to see those green bars continue to grow, and we got one big dark green bar here and a bull indicator that popped up to cancel out this bear indicator. Okay, that's what we were looking for. So is this the beginning of a larger run, or is it all gonna just fake out, right? Actually just pull right back down from there, take some time, and then get canceled out that bull indicator pretty quickly, like it did right here, by another bear indicator somewhere along the downtrend, right? So super important to look at what's going on in the bigger picture from what we see here, but also in the smaller time frames. The 4-hour so far has done a complete shift into extreme strength, and that is bright green here. So at some point, this is going to level off or continue. The last time it ran, it had 3 back-to-back, and it had 4 back-to-back before the pullback. We only have 2 so far. If it's going to actually mimic some of these past runs, it doesn't guarantee it's going to move the same, but just something to kind of measure and watch, which is what I'm going to be looking at based off the 4-hour, how things are going to continue to play out on 42 vision if these bright green bars continue and if this bull indicator holds up, as well as on the 1-day. But on the 30-minute, we're at a very interesting point, and within the volatility, it got a bear indicator. So the first thing is the support here, guys. 307. If that gets broken through, the next support is down here at 290s. If both of those get broken through, the next support is down here at 272. But before getting there, I would watch how things react between 307 and 290, and if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are trying to tear this one down fairly fast. Right now, we are under a bear indicator, and I'm going to be watching within this strength here if there's volatility to the downside or sideways action, if things can pop back up and break through key resistance levels to actually cancel out this bear indicator, and in the process of going up, getting another bull indicator in that upward trend. Because right now, the bear indicator on the 30-minute is dominating, but we have a bull indicator on the 4-hour as well as the 1-day, right? So to the upside, what do we got to look for? The first thing is 340, because the stock rejected it, and it's actually been a resistance level that has been causing trouble for the bulls to continue going higher. And the bulls need to turn that into a support and break away from it to then go towards $4. And if they break above 4, then we can start talking about higher levels. And above $4, the longer it stays, the more shorts could possibly actually end up squeezing out of their positions the closer it gets to those levels. But we are above $3. This definitely needs to stay above it, and worst case scenario above 290. And I'll be watching how things react if a bull indicator pops up on the 30-minute tomorrow to cancel out this bear indicator on any possible upward push based off of how the chart's reacting and what's been going on. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some